Let me walk you through how to play video and audio during your live stream using Streamyard. I'm Sara Nguyen, and on this channel, I help you grow your business using video on social media with ease. In this Streamyard tutorial, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about playing videos on Streamyard during your live stream. Let's go over to my computer now and I'm going to show you how. So after you've logged into Streamyard and entered the broadcast studio, I want you to go over to brand and scroll on down to the video clip section here. And you've got some videos that Streamyard have already uploaded for you that you can actually use. And in order to use those ones, all you would do is simply click on it and it would appear during the live stream if you wanted it to play, and then you would click off it to stop it from appearing from the live stream before the actual video has finished. Now, the other thing that you can do is you can upload your own videos in this section too. Now, these videos need to be no larger than 100 megabytes in size and no longer than 5 minutes. And you would simply click on this plus icon here and it would prompt you to upload a video clip. Click on that and then you can choose a video that you have available. And once it's uploaded, you'll see it in the video section here and you would simply click on it to add it to the live stream. And then you would let it play to the end, or if you wanted to finish earlier, you would click off it. So that's the second way that you can actually play videos. Now, another way that you can play videos is using the screen share option. So let's say that you have a video, whether it's on YouTube or some other platform that allows you to play video with sound. I'm going to play one of my YouTube videos and I've got it open in a Chrome tab. So this is the video that I want to play. Now in Streamyard, in order to play this video, I would click on share screen, follow the prompts. I would click on Chrome tab. I would choose that particular tab that has the video in it. And then I would click on share audio and I would click share. And then you can see that the video is appearing during the live stream. And if I play the video, it will play it through Streamyard. If you have a video that is in MP4 format already on your computer that you want to play during your live stream, what you can do is you can drag it and add it to your actual Chrome browser. And then we can choose that as a tab, just like we did the YouTube video to play. So I'm going to drag a video and drop it at the top of the actual Chrome tab browser, and I can see it here. And now I'm going to go back to share screen. I'm going to follow the prompts. I'm going to click on Chrome tab, and then I'm going to choose this video that is appearing in the Chrome tab now. So I'm going to click on that, and once again, you need to click on share audio if you want the sound to actually come through. And then I'm going to click share. And when I play the video on the tab, it will play it through Streamyard. So that's how you can play video in Streamyard, whether you want to use their existing videos, upload your own, open up a YouTube video and play the sound through the screen share option, or add a video to the tab and then play that. If you found this video useful, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more live stream tutorials, social media trainings, and a lot of fun. Now let me know in the comments below what videos are you going to play during your live streams. I'd love to know. And in the meanwhile, why don't you check out my handy dandy StreamYard playlist, or grab a copy of my Facebook Live cheat sheets. It's a super simple guide to get you up and streaming on Facebook Live, even if you've never hit record before. To get your hands on it, simply click on the link in the description box below, and thanks for watching.